Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to dig up old photos on Facebook. Now, once you're on your homepage, the first thing we have to do is to search our own name. There you go. The reason for this is so you can look at the filters here on the side. Now, when you're on mobile, the filters would be on the top of your screen on the phone. But for PC, the only difference is that it's here, as you can see, on the left-hand side panel. Let's just go and filter through posts, and as you can see, you can also filter through the date posted. Now, my old account got compromised some time ago, so this is a new account. And as you can see, we have to scroll down. It also all the tags from other people, and that's just from posts. And if you look just below, here we have photos. And with the same principle, we can still sort by what date it was posted. So if I say 2023, for example, it's only going to display photos that were uploaded at that time. You can also sort by tagged locations. Now you can also sort by your friends, and you'll see tagged photos instead. And there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if this helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. See you again next time.